Om Sahana Bhavatu Sahana Bhunaktu Sahaviryam Karvavahe Tejasvinavaditamastu Ma Vidvishavahe Om Shanti 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 Shishimanandamai ki Jai. Today she's very loud and clear with Jai, which is so nice. Otherwise, when she's not feeling well, she'll go Jai. So today she's very up and about. So welcome all of you to my channel. Jai Ma to everyone. Today we are making roti wraps, with a lot of goodies in it. So it's going to be done on the tawa and it's going to be grilled roti wraps. So have a look. Somebody has asked me that, give us some breakfast recipes. I haven't segregated कि ये breakfast है और ये है. I'm sure you'll find a lot of things which are like breakfast, so you can check it out. Because I've done all the vlogs and kept them ready. ऐसा नहीं है कि every day I'm making a new one. It's not like that, and every day I'm uploading. I just keep it in stock and then one by one I upload, so it becomes easier for me. So that's that. So let's begin. Now see, this is a electric chopper, and we get a manual chopper also. So you can use either. Electric becomes a little easier. So this is paneer, okay. These are cucumber which you remove the seeds, otherwise it becomes watery in the paratha, in the roti wraps. And I'm throwing it in. Capsicum, I have diced again. Tomatoes also I've de-seeded, remove all the seeds, otherwise it becomes watery. So, throw it in. See, I've already chopped a little bit, okay? I'll show you the rest. So this is very convenient. Gajar, tomatoes, capsicum, cucumber. So you have to de-seed, otherwise it becomes very watery. Let's see, if you put more, it won't grind. So this is a chopper, life becomes easy. You put it on this and now you put in mint, pudina. Wash and keep it. Pudina, hara dhania. This won't go in. Let me grind once and then we'll put it in. You get a manual chopper also. I have done it, I think, in one of the videos. Manual chopper se kiya hai. Now, add it in this. Then, all the hara dhania I want to put. Okay, first I put the blade. Put the blade like this. It's done. Now first remove the blade and take out all the masala. Then once this is done, Just mix it a little bit like this. Uske baad, you take a paneer. This is 250 grams and crumble it in this. Just like this. It is so tasty. Roti wrap, the grilled roti wraps. It's really tasty. So you can try it, and it's served with tomato ketchup and red chili sauce ko mix karke, You have to put the sauce with it. It's delicious. Now mix. You have to use your hands, which are clean. Wash your hands and then do it. After this is done, I'll just wash my hands. Then throw all your green chilies. These are 3 green chilies chopped. Then red chili powder, as much as you need. Spicy kitna chahiye, kya chahiye, it depends on you. Then you put chili flakes also. And then put your salt. As much, I think I put a little more because there's chaat masala also. And you take a chaat masala. I've taken 1 tablespoon. That's it. And then again, this is chaat masala. Here it is. And then mix. So this stuffing is ready. After this, we have to make the roti dough, which is a mixture of jawar atta and gehu atta. Jawar atta in jawar dough and wheat flour. It's a mixture of that, which now Bharti will take over once I finish this. This is done.
Jai Ma.
Jai Ma. See, she's all smiles. Okay, now we begin. So this is 1 katori of gehu, wheat flour, and 1 katori of jawar atta. You mix the two. First, make the dough. Put some salt. And bind it with water. There's no oil in this. So let her bind the whole thing, then I'll show you. See, this atta, this dough is done. It's like a roti dough. And she's kept some plain flour over there, which is Jowari atta. You can take Jowari or you can take wheat flour, anything. Now you make big rotis first. Now put it on the tawa. Let it cook. It has been flipped on the other side. See? Now switch off the gas and put it on the grill tawa, the roti. Then you take your stuffing and put it on one side. Ek side. Now once you do the filling, you fold it this way. Press it down. Now apply ghee on both sides. Apply. The grill tawa has to be hot. See. Press it down. Let it cook properly, the roti. तवा को गर्म होना चाहिए, the grill tawa. If you don't have a grill tawa, you can do it in the grill oven also, or microwave also, whatever. Grill tawa is very convenient. Now we flip it. See, it grills. Let it grill on the other side. See, it's done now. Now we'll put it in a serving plate and I'll show you what to do next. See, you put it in the serving plate like this and cut it in half. It's hot. And leave it separate. Leave it, Bharti. And then you put your tomato ketchup. This is chili sauce, red chili sauce, and tomato ketchup on it, not side pe nahi. हाँ, mix करो, बस. Mix बस. And your roti wraps are ready. Put it in your hand, hold it. See, looks so yummy. Om Sahana Vavatu Sahana Bhunaktu Sahaviryam Karvavahe Tejasvinavaditamastu Mavid Vishavahe. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Shishimanandamai ki Jai. Jai Ma, everyone try it. It's really yummy. You can have it for breakfast also. Jai Ma.
Jai Ma.